So that's stock. Something kind of needs to change here. Hey guys, Chandler here. So today, what you just noticed is that I turned on my car and it sounds all right, but I think it can sound better. So today I'm changing it in for, it's actually a stock, or not a stock, it's a Spec-D tuning exhaust. It's kind of cheap, but I've used their stuff before. It's a cheap little alternative for now. You can always build on them. So it's stainless steel, has a 3-inch inlet, has I think a 4.5-inch out, or like exhaust tube. I don't know. I don't know much about exhausts. I just know that it's temporary until I do the rest, which I'm excited for the future plans, and you guys will be too. Like, there's gonna be some mad, insane stuff. So, here's the two pieces here. This will be where the resonator normally goes. This is the catback, or muffler, sorry. So it's a, well, there's a reason people use a tripod and hold it one-handed. So this is a catback exhaust system. It doesn't affect the catalytic converter. It affects the resonator and the muffler and should make it louder. Hopefully it sounds good. So let me finish jacking up the car and then start installing. Should go by pretty quick. Like, tell me, that's just not, that's obnoxious. That's just insane. I mean, it's temporary, right? These things are obnoxious. Okay, so that's 2 down, 1 more I believe to go, and then 2 bolts, and then this entire thing should drop. Thank you. So Beth's now here, helping.
Now the video's gonna get interesting.
As she said, the video's now gonna get interesting. Come on. This is what I did. So it's a 12 and a 14, and then these bolts come off, and then 1 more hanger. I lied, there's 4 hangers, and then just bolt it back together and put it back on. So I don't know if I am gonna have an issue because this is a 3-inch inlet. This is a 2.5 over here.
Shouldn't you have like checked that before you ordered it?
Well, it wasn't clear. That's a lot of stress on that bolt. I won't hurt myself.
Huh? Really? You're not gonna hurt yourself?
I didn't hurt myself.
Really? Because you just said ow.
And you don't like that sound. Correct?
Didn't make it any better.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. Garbage. Not garbage. Definitely not garbage. Not garbage. Garbage.
Everyone's gonna get really annoyed that you keep saying garbage like that.
Not garbage.
What?
He's going to PJ's tomorrow to get him to weld up a
No, I'm not.
1/4 to 3 inch.
No, I'm not. I'm so not doing that.
Say hello to exhaust leak.
The goal is to not have exhaust leak.
I know, but you can't do that with mating 2 pipes of different diameter.
Are you filming yourself doing this?
Potentially.
I suppose the commentary probably wasn't necessary.
I'll probably edit it out.
Okay.
Alright, well CJ, I'm going to leave this money here with you, and I'm going to go do my own exhaust work, so...
Okay. Have fun. Do you have my $30? Yep, there it is.
That's what he said, he was leaving money.
Great.
I was going to offer, I have a Starbucks gift card instead that I give you.
He doesn't drink
Pardon.
Starbucks. Yes, it's just cool.
Oh, do you want my jacket? I'm hot. Thank you. Is this recording? Okay. As long as I'm doing something right with my life.
You're dating me.
What?
I think I may not be a fan.
Of that?
Yeah.
Guess who's about to be louder?
CJ's is about to be louder.
Good thing I don't live here. Okay, so that was for sure fun. Definitely got it finished, but there's an exhaust leak because your boy here was really smart and got a 3-inch inlet when it's supposed to only have a 2 1/4, 2 1/2. So I'll either get a donut or I'll have the guy weld a slightly wider hole because there's a little bit of an exhaust leak and it's a little annoying. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for spending the time to watch and seeing just me put on a new exhaust. Exhausts are super easy. Like, that took maybe 30 minutes max and got it done. The only difficult part is that I accidentally got the wrong size, so I have to fix that. But as long as you double check and make sure that you get the right size, then you're good. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I've got something special planned for this Saturday, so I'll talk to you soon.